Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The IIT Coder. This is the tutorial of problem B, Rock and Lever, Code Forces round 622 division 2. This was a pretty easy question and a pretty straightforward question. So what you need to do is basically, your task is to calculate the number of such pairs I, j such that I less than j and ai and aj is greater than or equal to ai XOR aj, where AND denotes the bitwise AND operation and XOR denotes the bitwise XOR operation. If you don't know what bitwise AND is and bitwise XOR is, you can ask in the comments and I will make a video for you so that you can learn it. So I am hoping that this is a prerequisite and you know that what is bitwise AND and bitwise XOR of two numbers. So you need to do this in n log n time. The constraint on ai is 10 raised to 9 and the number of numbers are n 10 raised to power 5. So how do we do this? You need to observe a property which is most significant bit. Suppose there are two numbers a, b. Let the most significant bit be the ith bit and jth bit. So a and b will be greater than or equal to a XOR b only in the case when I is equal to j. Now why is this? So okay, consider that I not equal to j. Without loss of generality, we assume that I is greater than j, because otherwise we can swap those numbers. So now in the most significant bit, like in the ith position, a has a 1 while b has a 0. So a and b will, this is AND operator, this is 1. In the XOR, this is 1, this is 0. That means in the most significant bit of the AND, this is 0 and this is 1. So even if the previous all bits are 1 in AND and these all bits are 0, this will always be less than this. That means the AND of both the numbers cannot be greater than the XOR of the two numbers unless I equals j. I hope you got the point. So what we needed to do was just calculate the MSB of each number. Then in the array we have the MSB of all. Just keep a count of the MSB, how many times an MSB occurs, and the formula would be count into count minus 1 by 2. Because suppose there are 4 numbers, one somewhere in the array with the same MSB, I can choose I equals this and j equals 1, 2, 3 plus I equals this into j equals 1, 2 plus I equals this into j equals 1. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3. That is count into count minus 1 by 2. So I hope you understood the question. Now let us look at. So this is the code. Basically we take in the number of test cases, we take in the number of numbers, we take in the numbers, then we keep a MSB of n and a count of 34 as 2 raised to 34 minus 1 is much greater than 10 raised to 9. That means the most significant that bit cannot be greater than 34. Then I just run a loop on j equal to 0 while j not equal to 33. This is just to get the most significant bit of the ith number of the array. This is like a standard procedure, and then I just count in the count of 34. I just keep a count of the numbers that have I as their most significant bit. So like then I initialize answer to 0 and I iterate over all the counts, and the answer is answer plus count minus 1 into count by 2. There is one case that r of I is equal to 0, then AND can be equal to XOR, and the most significant bit in both cases is minus 1, because like any bit is not set, but as the constraints are greater than 1, ai is greater than 1, so it doesn't matter. I hope you understood it. If you like this video, please like it, please share it.